Hi guys, so for today, welcome to the Asset Management Techniques Practice Lab. In this module, you will be provided with instructions and devices needed to develop your hands-on skills. IT asset management help organizations effectively manage and optimize their IT resources, which can lead to improved operational efficiency, cost savings, and enhanced cybersecurity. From a security perspective, it is impossible to apply effective security until all network assets are tracked and managed. Additionally, as assets and applications are deprovisioned, secure data destructions is essential, though it is not always an intuitive process. In this module, you will use Snipe IT to create and manage assets and use sdelete and Cypher to securely destroy files. So, learning outcomes. In this module, you will complete the following exercise. Exercise 1, deploy an asset and license, and exercise 2, secure data sanitation. After completing this module, you should be able to create a company and configure admin setting, create an asset and license, issue an asset and license, securely delete files, and lastly, override unallocated data. So exam objectives. The following exam objectives are covered in this module. Explain the security implications of proper hardware, software, and data asset management, assignment accounting, monitoring or asset tracking, disposal or decommissioning. So lab duration. It will take approximately 1 hour to complete this lab. Help and support. For more information on using Practice Lab, please see our help and support page. You can also raise a technical support ticket from this page. So click next to view the lab topology used in this module. So next, lab topology. During your session, you will have access to the following lab configuration. Depending on the exercise, you may or may not use all of the devices, but they are shown here in the layout to get an overall understanding of the topology of the lab. ACID C01, ACID M01, ACI Win11, ACI Alma, and ACI Kali. So click next. So exercise 1. Deploy an asset and license. Snipe IT is an open source web based software application designed for IT asset management. It provides organizations with a platform to effectively track and manage their hardware and software assets licenses and other IT resources. Snap IT is Snipe IT is particularly popular among small and medium-sized businesses, educational institutions, and non-profit organizations due to its cost-effectiveness and ease of use. Organizations can use to host Snipe IT on their own servers or use hosted versions provided by third-party vendors and cloud providers. In this exercise, you will use Snipe IT to deploy an asset and license. So, learning outcome. After completing this exercise, you should be able to create a company and configure admin setting, create an asset and license, and lastly, issue an asset and license. So your devices, there will be two following devices in this lab. Please power this now. So ACI DC01 and ACI Kali. So task 1, create a company and configure admin setting. To manage assets in the Snipe IT webpage, you first need to create a company and configure the management settings. In this scenario, the company name will be ACIP Lab Inc. and a minimal admin setting configuration will be conducted. Detailed Snipe IT configuration and use documentation is located at https://snipeit.readme.ioi/docs. In this task, you will create an ACIP Lab Inc. company in Snipe IT and conduct admin setting configuration. So step 1, connect to ACI Kali. Then on the desktop toolbar, select Firefox. So step 2, in the Firefox, type the following in the URL bar. So 192.168.0.5. Then hit enter. So step 3, on the Snipe IT Management login page, enter the following credentials. So ACI admin, then password is password. Then click login. So step 4, in the Snipe IT web page, select the settings gear icon from the left side pane. Menu and select companies. Step companies. Huh? So step 5, in the Snipe IT companies page, select create new. Then step 6, the Snipe IT web page, try the following in the company name field. So company name, ECIP Lab Inc. So click save. Then step 7, select the settings gear icon from the left side pane menu, left side menu, and select location. So settings, then locations. Step 8, select create new. Then step 9, enter the following. So location name, US HQ, parents or city, where's that? City, Denver, state, Colorado, and then country, United States. Then click save. So step 10, select the Snipe IT Management double gear icon on the top right corner of the toolbar. So here, then step 11, select security. Then step 12, tick the checkboxes next to the following for the password complexity field. So password complexity field, prevent common password, required at least one letter, one number, and one symbol. So scroll down, then click save. So step 13, scroll down and select asset tags. Then step 14, tick the checkbox next to enable to generate auto-incrementing asset tags. Then click save. Then step 15, select asset tags again. Then step 16, type the following in the prefix optional field. So ACIP lab dash. Then click save. So step 17, scroll down and select barcodes. Then step 18, tick the checkbox next to the display square codes. Step 19, scroll down and select select save, then scroll down and select labels. So step 20, tick the checkbox next to the following for the label visible fields. Asset name, model, and company name. Serial and asset tags should already be checked. So click save. Then leave the devices in their current and state and proceed to the next task. So task 2, create an asset and license. Assets and licenses can come from any different vendors, models, and licensing structures. Managing all of this at the same time is challenging but required. In this task, you will use Snipe IT to create an inventory of a single asset and 20 licenses that may be issued to a user. So connect to ACI Kali. On the desktop toolbar, select the Home, ACI Admin folder, then select Documents, Module 12 folder, then Open folder. Step 2. Double-click on HP NV Laptop Details JPG. Note, the file viewer reviewed the laptop image which will be added to Snipe IT as an asset. So in the desktop toolbar, select the running instances for Firefox. This HP NV laptop is the one you will add to Snipe IT for distribution. So step 4, in the Firefox, click the plus icon to open a new tab. So plus, new tab. So step 5. So type the following in the URL bar: https colon / microsoft.com / en -us / microsoft 365 / business. Then enter. So scroll through the page and review the license options. On the Snipe IT web page, we will add a number of licenses to be distributed. On the Firefox, close the Microsoft 365 for Business tab. So close. So in the Snap IT web page, select the settings gear icon from the left side menu and select categories. Categories. Then step 8, select delete for the MISC software energy. So delete. Select yes. Then step 10, create new. Then step 11, type the following into the category name field. Laptop. Then select asset from the type drop down menu. Then click save. Step 12. Create new. Then step 13. Productivity software. Select license from the type drop down menu. Then select save. Step 14. Select the settings gear icon from the left side menu. Then select manufacturers. So step 15. Select create new. Then step 18. Type the following in the name field. So HP. Then click save. So step 17. Create new. Then step 18, on the name field, type Microsoft. Then scroll down and click save. And step 19, On the settings bar again, click Asset Models. Then step 20, create new. Then step 21. So type the following or select the drop-down menu selections for the following. So asset model name, NV. So category name, laptop, manufacturer, HP, model number, seventeen dash CR 1087NR. Then scroll down and click select file for the approved image. Then step 23, in the File Explorer, navigate to ACI Admin, Documents, Documents, Module 12 folder. No. Documents, folder 12. Then HP NV laptop image JPG. Then click open. Then scroll down and click save. So step 24. Okay, so for step 24, click the create new drop down and select asset. So step 25, type the following or select the drop down menu selections for the following. So company, okay, so once you have select asset, type the following or select the drop down menu selections for the following. So company, ACIP Lab Inc., serial 123456, model laptop HP NV, status ready to deploy. Then scroll down and select optional information. Where's that? Optional information. So in the asset name, type user 001. Then scroll down and click save. So step 27, select the create new drop down. Then click license. Then step 28, type the following or select the drop down menu selections for the following. So software name, Office 365, category name, productivity software, production key or product key, it's XXXXX dash XX XXX dash XXXXX dash XXXXX. Then seats 20. Then company name or company, ICIP Lab Inc. Then manufacturer, Microsoft. Then scroll down, then click save. So step 29, select dashboard from the left side menu. Then step 30, scroll down the dashboard to view the changes that has been made to the database asset categories. Also observe the recent activity. Hmm, that's nice. Leave the device in their current state and proceed to the next task. So task 3, issue an asset and license. So asset and license inventory is not useful unless the location of the asset and the user it is assigned to are also managed. In this task, you will create a user and issue them a laptop and license for the Office 365, then back up the database. So connect to ACI Kali on Firefox in the Snipe IT web page. Click the create new. So go up, then create new drop down, then click user. Then step 2, type the following. First name, so Victor. Hey, da. So V. So last name, Smith. Ano na? So step 2, type the following. First name Victor, last name Smith, username VS Smith. So step 3, in the Snipe IT webpage, tick the checkbox next to this user can log in. Scroll down and click save. So step 4, if required, select don't save in the save login pop-up box. Then step 5, select all of assets icon on the top left of the page. Toolbar. So step 6, scroll right to the right and select checkout for the laptop asset. Step 7, select the following from the user drop-down menu, Smith, Victor, or VS Smith. So scroll down and click checkout. Then step 8, select the asset name user01 and scroll down and generate label. So step 10, this is the label that will be printed and affixed to the asset of for asset tracking and inventory. So select the back arrow to go back one page. Then select the software licenses icon at the top left of the page toolbar. Step 13, select checkout for the Office 365 license. Step 14, select Smith Victor Smith from the user drop down, then checkout. So step 15, Select Dashboard from the left side menu. Then step 16, observe the changes on the dashboard in recent activity and asset categories. In step 17, select the Snipe IT Management double gear icon. Then scroll down and select Backups. Then select Generate Backup. Subs, so on the step 20, observe the backups are saved in the hot server and app or backups. Then step 21, select the ACI admin drop-down menu, then select logout. Close the Firefox window, then close the image viewer, close the File Explorer window. So exercise 2, secure data sanitation. So sdelete and Cypher are two command line utilities provided by Microsoft Windows for managing and securely deleting files and free space on your computer's storage devices. Sdelete is a command line utility developed by Microsoft's internal suite. It is designed to securely delete files and overwrite the space occupied by those files to make data recovery more difficult. It can be used to securely delete individuals' files or entire directories. It's especially useful when you want to ensure that sensitive data cannot be recovered after deletion. Cypher is another command line utility in Windows that primarily deals with file encryption and decryption, but it can also be used for securely deleting files and erasing free disk space when used with specific parameters. Cypher can overwrite free space on a disk with random data, making it difficult to recover previously deleted files from that space. In this exercise, you will use sdelete to securely destroy files and use Cypher to overwrite free space in a folder. So learning outcomes: after completing this exercise, you should be able to securely delete files and overwrite unallocated data. So you will be using the following devices in this lab. Please power this on now. So ACI DC01 and ACI Win11. So task 1, securely delete files. The Microsoft Sysinternal Suite is a collection of advanced system utilities and diagnostic tools for Microsoft Windows operating system. These utilities are designed to help IT professional system administrators empower user analyze, diagnose, and troubleshoot Windows system at a low level. One tool in the suite is sdelete. Sdelete is a command line that allows a user to securely delete files and overwrite the space they occupied with random data, making it much more challenging for anyone to recover the deleted files. This can be important for maintaining data privacy and security, especially when dealing with sensitive or confidential information. So in this task, you will use sdelete 64 to securely delete destroy files. So connect to ACI with 11, select File Explorer on the taskbar, then step 2, navigate to this PC, then ACIHDD, then Module 12 folder, right click on sdelete folder and select extract all. Then in the extract compressive folders pop-up window, select extract. And in the file explorer window, double click on the extracted sdelete folder. Step 6, type the following in the navigation bar, then press enter. CMD. So in the command prompt window, type the following and press enter. So S delete 64 slash help. Enter. So in the S delete licensing agreement pop-up window, select agree. Then note the dash p switch is used to specify the number of override passes. This task will specify 3 passes which are considered the minimum passes to ensure secure deletion of data. So in the command prompt window, type the following and press enter. dir enter. So step 9, type the following and press enter. So S delete 64 dash P 3 space S delete dot exe space S delete 64a dot exe space eula dot txt and hit enter. So step 10. Observe the output states that the 3 files have been deleted. So leave the devices in their current state and proceed to the next task. Overwrite unallocated data. Cipher.exe is a command line utility primarily used for managing encryption and decryption operations related to files and directories, as well as managing encryption keys. Cipher provides a range of functionalities related to file encryption, decryption, and key management, and it is useful for ensuring data security and privacy in Windows environments. The cipher/w command is used to wipe free space on a drive by overwriting it with random data. This is a security measure to help ensure that deleted files cannot be easily recovered from the free space on a disk or partition. When you run cipher/w, Windows override the unallocated space on a drive with random numbers multiple times, making it much more difficult for anyone to retrieve data that was previously stored in those areas. In this task, you will cipher to overwrite unallocated space in a folder. So connect to ACI Win11. On the command prompt, type the following to navigate to the module job. So cd, cd dot and enter. Then next command prompt window, type the following and press enter. dir. Then step 3, type the following and press enter. So cipher/help. Note, the dash W switch is used to remove data from available unused disk space. This does not delete files but rather ensures that the disk space does not have data stored on it is securely erased. So the command prompt window, type the following and press enter. So cipher space W colon W colon D colon slash module underscore 12 underscore folder. Then hit enter. Step 5. The unallocated space delete command will take approximately 4.5 minutes to complete During this time, it will override the unallocated space with three passes. The first with all zeros dot x zeros or 0x00. The second with all 1s or 0xff, and the last with random numbers. FF is the hexadecimal representation of 1111. So step 6, close the command prompt window. So let's just wait for that to finish. So it's almost finished. So writing random numbers. So yeah, it's now finished. So step 7, close the command prompt window, then close the Fire Explorer window. So keep all devices that you have powered on in their current state and proceed to the review section. Review. Well done. You have completed the asset management techniques practice lab. In this lab, you use Snap ID to create and manage assets and SDelete and Cipher to securely destroy files and data. It is important to remember that IT assets management enables organizations to effectively manage and optimize their IT resources, leading to improved operational efficiency, cost savings, and enhanced cybersecurity. IT assets management is also essential from a security perspective, as it is impossible to apply effective security until all network assets are tracked and managed. So summary, you completed the following exercise. Exercise 1, deploy an asset and license. Exercise 2, secure data sanitation. You should now be able to create a company and configure admin setting, create an asset and license, issue an asset and license, securely delete files, and overwrite unallocated data. So feedback, submit, shut down all virtual machines used in this lab. Alternatively, you can log out of the lab platform. So that's it.